Hello, and welcome to our series all about Wix invoices and price quotes. Today, we are going to learn how to enable automatic conversion of your price quotes into invoices. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and go to Settings. Click on Getting Paid. Go to the Price Quotes tab and then scroll down until you reach the Convert Quotes to Invoices section. So make sure to toggle this button on. Once it's on, you'll automatically send customers invoices when they accept your price quotes. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.